Hello YouTube, this is Andrew Bartlett with Database Controls, and I'm showing you a short video, hopefully it's pretty basically short, on templates that are available in HTML, CSS coding from w3schools.com. Here's the website, w3schools.com, and it goes over everything such as HTML, CSS, everything, you name it. But what they do have now is they have templates, and they'll give you the whole code and everything where you can play around with. What I'm using right now is the cafe template. And I've been playing around with it for a little while and changing things. So, all right, so let's commence with the video. I'll show you how I played around with this and how you can do this. Okay, so first off, with this template, pretty much it's all plug and play. You can do whatever you want in here. And where I got the information from is right here. So I'm going to try this right now. I'm going to start up from scratch. And what I was using for my template for editing the code is I'm using Notepad+. This will have, pretty much when you start typing thing, you'll have auto type and everything. But I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. It won't have those options through regular Notepad. It comes with every Microsoft computer. I believe it has the same thing in Apple. Start Notepad. There you go. Voila. Okay, so minimize this for a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. Okay, so right now it has the exact, what it'll look like. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to the very top, scroll it down. Now, later on, I'm going to go through some more videos on how to do coding, HTML. Now, bit of a disclaimer, I'm not a extreme professional, I'll just say it that way. I know enough to do decent things with the web. All right, so you just copy that in there. Now we're going to save this. Now you're not going to see this. I can see the images or anything because the links are incorrect. I'll show you. So we're going to do File, Save As, and here's the kicker. Here's what you need to do. Let's just say cafe site and .html. And we're going to save this on the desktop, so it's visible. And hit save. Let's minimize this. Now let's go to the desktop. And let's put this all right out in front. Double click. And there's our site. Now, not too much to look at right now because a lot of things are missing. And like I said prior, the PHP, that's a whole nother video. I'll put a link on where to research that. Okay. All right, so this needs to be fixed up. Now what you want to do is make a folder. Okay. And stick this in there. Now what we're going to do is I'm literally pretty much going to copy the same stuff that I put in there. I'll probably just put one picture in there. Okay. For right now. All right, so the reason behind this is because it needs to reference something. Just like a variable, you need to reference something. Okay, so now let me go back to the code and remember it's going to be called restaurant JPG. And let's go to the code. Now you'll see the spot over here. Oh, first off, you can change this little part here. The title is the very top of the page. Like when you log into something, you'll see the logo, cafe site. and template, temp, and hit Control S to save. And let's go ahead and add that image. So what you're going to see, you see right here, see the background image for the cover. Now you notice it's centered. Change around. Okay. Control S or save, either way. Now let's go back to our website. Seems you might have. Yeah, let me do this. It seemed to have messed up. Yep, replace. Okay, now let's go into it. There we go. See? There's our image. And you can change the size and everything. Just get out of that, get out of that. All right, so pretty much that's all in a nutshell. I mean, obviously there's a lot of changes you can make. See, this already comes with a nice little menu right here. You change whatever you want, and of course this is a whole nother issue. Type in your name, and of course in order to send a message you have to learn what's known as PHP. Pretty much is for sending emails or anything else. A lot of things. So there you have it. So now, and just mentioning, yeah, what I was using right here is Notepad Plus for what I did. And you can download that for free. It's very easy to download that. And there we go. So we go to home. There's our picture. And let's do a few small little edits before I leave you. Cafe site. So you see right here, you know, button, home. Let's do, this even has, you know, that's your header image. Open. See right here, open from 9 to 5. So let's say open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., let's say. Control S. Let's refresh it. Just keep saving it here. Nice. Okay, let's look at it. There you go, 9 to 9. All right, so I hope this helps anyone. If you want to learn how to do websites or edit anything, and obviously the code that they show in the W3 Schools, like with HTML, you can use it for WordPress, styling, everything. You get your styles, colors, you name it, CSS, everything. I hope this helps. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Hello, it's Andrew Bartlett, the owner and operator of DatabaseControls.com. And thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, put in your comments, ask any questions you need. Again, you can contact me with the information listed. And thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you again.